I have been procrastinating making this video for like 2 months now, and it took all my willpower to make it, so enjoy. The Filson bag is cool. I mean, it just looks fresh, navy blue, dark leather straps. Shit's dope. This video is mostly just an overview, so here are the pros. It is one big slot in the front with a key tag on the inside so you can keep your keys safe while traveling around, and another spacious slot on the other side. When you unzip it and unbutton the flap, you'll get access to the inside. Inside, we got space designed to hold your laptop, which I believe can hold up to a 15-inch laptop. Then you've got several little pockets on the inside that can hold anything like charger cables or a wallet or a hamster or something. Then you've got another optional laptop pocket in case you're rich or fancy enough to have 2 laptops. Or you could put your books in there. Don't worry though, it can hold more than just books. You can put whatever you want in there, really. I like to keep a Swiss blade pocket knife just in case, because you never know when you're going to need it. Sometimes you gotta unscrew a bottle of wine or cut off a tag, or maybe you like to whittle wood in your free time. Whatever works, man. Regardless, it can hold plenty of stuff. The straps are adjustable like a belt, and the strap itself can be taken off if you want, but I gotta say it looks pretty freaking fantastic strapped around me. Just saying. Cons. None really. The only thing I can think of is the fact that the zipper teeth can be kind of scratchy if you're trying to put your laptop in your bag, but otherwise, I mean, this might be the most expensive thing I own. My recommendation, if you've got the money, get it. It will last you forever, and Filson even guarantees you a lifetime warranty, so if something breaks, you can send it in and have them fix it. Everything is super well made, it's water resistant, so it's perfect in Seattle, and overall just a fantastic bag. Anyways, thank you guys for watching. Like, seriously, thank you. YouTube demonetized me, so I can't make any more money off of it unless I get a certain number of monthly views, so thanks for helping me out. Take care, you guys. Stay classy.